Preview in process. Firstly, right-click on desktop and hide all the desktop icons. Now, go to the browser and open the link in the description. Scroll down from here and click on Releases and your download will start shortly. Now go to the second link and from here you will have to download this wallpaper. After downloading both of the files, you have to navigate towards the Downloads folder. Right-click on the wallpaper and set it as your desktop background. Now extract this Releases folder. Copy the Release folder. Go to Documents. Paste it here. Open the folder. Run the register as an administrator. Press Enter. Now open the Files Explorer and you can see that the Files Explorer has become blurry and transparent. Now navigate toward the Releases folder again. Open this config folder in Notepad. We will change these coordinates and the color of our Files Explorer will change accordingly. You can note the coordinates of the desired color and apply it accordingly. After changing the coordinates, restart the Files Explorer and new theme of Files Explorer will be applied. I hope you will like this clean and cool desktop customization. I have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.